Less than 7 weeks until the UK is due to leave the European Union, the British Prime Minister and the European Commission President held their first face-to-face meeting Monday in Luxembourg.
We're cautious in the optimism.
The two agreeing Brexit talks between the UK and EU need to intensify and would soon take place on a daily basis. The UK's Boris Johnson said a deal for the split was beginning to emerge.
Yes, there is a good chance of a deal. Yes, I can see the shape of it.
But the European Commission said London has not offered an alternative to the Irish backstop that has blocked a deal. Johnson reiterated that Brexit will happen on October 31st, deal or no deal. Johnson's visit met by anti-Brexit protests as he arrived to meet with Luxembourg's prime minister. Johnson later skipped their planned joint news conference. Luxembourg's leader went on to call the Brexit process a nightmare, lashing out while gesturing to the empty podium next to him.
You can't hold a future hostage for party political gains. It's on Mr. Johnson. He holds the future of all UK citizens and every EU citizen leaving the UK in his hands. It's his responsibility. Your people, our people, count on you. But the clock is ticking. Use your time wisely. Thank you.
You've just got a lively reception here from the Luxembourgers and then cancelled your press conference.
Well, I don't think it would have been fair to the Prime Minister of Luxembourg to... I think there was clearly going to be a lot of noise, and I think our points might have been drowned out.
And in the UK newspaper The Mail on Sunday, Johnson comparing himself and his country to a superhero, saying in part, Hulk always escaped, no matter how tightly bound in he seemed to be. And that is the case for this country. We will come out on October 31st, and we will get it done. And reaction from the actor who plays the Hulk, Mark Ruffalo, tweeting in part that Boris Johnson forgets that the Hulk only fights for the good of the whole. Mad and strong can also be dense and destructive. The Hulk works best when he is in unison with a team and is a disaster when he is alone.